Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA G22. In this video I'll show you how to access and manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. Enter it, and thanks to Files app you've got access to your recent files, categories like downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and apps. Also you can check your collections and internal storage. Then you can check and use nearby share function, thanks to which you can quickly send and receive files. Then you can use the clean function to clean junk files from the smartphone. In the end you can use trash. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.